Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Fire and Ice by Emphyrio. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have a regional thermometer. This is a new constraint. So this thick gray line is our thermometer, and it has a circle at one end. That's the bulb. So digits strictly increase from the bulb. So if this was, say, a 2, we could go 4, 5, 6. These are strictly increasing. But then once we enter a new box or region, this crosses a bold boundary. So once we do that, it now changes direction. So now you can kind of consider this to be like an anti-bulb. So we have to start getting smaller. So we could go, say, 4 and then 2. And then now that we cross again, we switch direction again. Now we have to just be bigger than 2. So we can go like 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, what I've written here doesn't work, but that's the idea. So you go, you get larger, then smaller, then larger, then smaller, then larger, then smaller. And that is it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. I think I'm going to color code like orange is getting larger, blue is getting smaller. We'll get our fire and ice going. That way I can just remember that without having to think about it. So in the example, we ran into this issue where these two digits wanted to be here. It's interesting. We can pencil this thermo. So 6, 5, 4, 3. Yeah, so this can be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. And then we have to get smaller. Then we have to get larger again. This could be a 1 though. So let's get larger again. This has to be at least 2, right? So this is 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Because this can't be a 1 because it has to be bigger than this digit here, which is interesting. And then we have to get smaller again. And then we're going to get bigger again. So again, we're 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, well, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, because it's shorter. Now this can't be 6. So I guess this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. So what can we learn here? This is a 3, 4, 5 triple. So we need a 1, 2, and a 6 here. Interesting. We could do 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 here. Or sorry, this is decreasing. Sorry, I did that wrong. This would be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Not quite a 1, 2, 3 triple. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do need a 1. It's here or here in the row. This row needs a 1. That's going to be over here. This can't be a 1 because we have to decrease from there. So the 1 is here. Is it 6s? Are there restricted 6s anywhere? So this is decreasing. I might as well fill it. Because this can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically. We can think about things like if this wasn't 6, then this couldn't be 5. So it would be 3 or 4. And that would make a 3-4 pair, and that would make this 5, 6. So 6 is definitely one of these two. I'm not sure how that's helpful. If this was 6, this is 5, 4. So there's always a 5 in here. Because if this is not 6, this is a 3-4 pair, that's a 5, 6. If this is a 6, then that's a 5. So one of these is always 5, which means this cannot be 5. Which means that can't be 4 and that can't be 3. That felt important. Can this actually be 4, 3? I guess is a question to ask. It would make this 4, 5, 6. That seems okay. Well, this is bigger than this cell, so this cell can only be 1 or 2. But this is bigger, so that's not a problem. But this is a 1, 2, 6 triple now. So this is not a 2, and these are 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the 6 is here. This is not a 6. So there's a 6. This column needs a 6. It's here. So that makes this 5, 4, 3, 2. This is 3, 2, and 1. That's a 1. This can't be 1 or 2, so this can't be 2 or 3. We get a 1 here. We get a 1 here. This is 5 and 6. This is 4 and 3. This is just collapsing now. Nice. This is a 3. We have a 4, 5 pair here, giving us a 6. That's 2 and 6. Okay, doing well. This is 1, 6. We know the order because of this 1. These are a 4 and a 5. This is a 6. Okay, this is going well. This is a 1 for the row. This box needs a 4. I'm going to get rid of the colors at this point. I need it for this, because this can't be 4, so that's helpful to know. Let's just finish the puzzle. I need 2 and 6 here, so we know the order because of this 2. That gives us 3 and 4 here. Oops, no it doesn't. Let's be careful. This is, we need a 4 or a 5 in here. This can only be 5, that's 4. 5 and 4. And 2 and 5 are left, and we're done. All right. Well, that collapsed quickly once I spotted... what did I spot? These 5s here was that helpful, or was there... I'm already forgetting what it was that I spotted that was very helpful, but yeah, that was interesting. I haven't seen a constraint like this before, but yeah, that was neat how that worked out. Cool. Let me know how you did on this one, and if you enjoyed it. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.